Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Revlon Top Speed Hair Color. Before you begin, always conduct a skin allergy patch test 48 hours beforehand to ensure safety, which is very important. Next, prepare your workspace by laying down an old towel and wearing an old shirt to protect yourself and your surroundings. Gather your gloves and a timer, ensuring everything you need is within easy reach for a smooth process. You are now ready for the next step in coloring your hair. To prepare your hair color, first, take the colorant tube and squeeze its entire contents into the applicator bottle. Once both components are inside, securely replace the cap on the applicator bottle. Shake the bottle vigorously for at least 60 seconds to ensure the two formulas are completely and evenly blended together. Immediately unscrew the cap to release any pressure that may have built up during mixing, preventing any mess. Your mixed color is now perfectly ready for application. Begin by applying the mixed color to dry, unwashed hair, focusing on your roots first. Create small, manageable sections, roughly 1/4 of an inch wide, and apply the color generously to each section. Work the product through, ensuring every strand is thoroughly coated for consistent results across your entire head. Once the roots are covered, distribute any leftover color through the mid-lengths and ends of your hair, providing even coverage everywhere. This careful application ensures a uniform and beautiful color. After applying the color, allow it to process for precisely 10 minutes. Do not exceed this recommended time, as it can affect your final color result. Once the processing time is complete, rinse your hair very thoroughly with warm water. Continue rinsing until the water running from your hair is completely clear, indicating all excess color has been removed. Be gentle during this process, making sure not to rub or irritate your scalp. Confirm there is no color left on your skin or hairline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.